name's Chris Bain. I'm based at Staunton Country Park, Havant in Hampshire, and I'm a chainsaw sculptor. For Lakeside, I'm going to be carving two pieces. One piece will represent the name of the person who has been looking after this area for many years. His name is Rohan. The second piece is going to be a dragonfly. This is going to be a bit different. I have not carved a dragonfly before. I'm going to be utilising two types of timber. The cedar, which will be for the body, and then I'm going to be using sequoia, which is a giant redwood, for the wings, which will be attached when I am carving down on site. The wood that has been chosen for this particular sculpture has been donated by Hollybank Woods, which is an ancient woodland close to Emsworth. The reason we have chosen cedar is for its durability. They will be placed in an area close to a pond and it is quite wet. So this type of cedar will do very well in that area.
All of you will know Rohan, who last year retired after 15 years of wildlife walks around the site here at Lakeside North Harbour. So it's fair to say that you know the site like the back of your hand. I think this is probably I'm hoping it's one of your most favourite places here at the Wildlife Freshwater Pond. And it seemed only fitting that we had some chainsaw sculptures created with Chris Bain's help that we can have here to admire for many more years to come, like we admired your newsletters that you did and your wildlife walks over the last 15 years.